In this video, we'll walk you through how to update the metadata of your pNFT. In the proposition of Galileo protocol, it is stated that for every pNFT you redeem, you can update the properties of that pNFT according to the life cycle of the product. To start, connect with your wallet. Go to My Profile. Here, you can see all the pNFTs which you have bought. Let's say I want to change the metadata of this watch pNFT. Make sure that you have the item redeemed. In this section, you can see which metadata are allowed to be updated. These are the two properties that can be updated. Hence, edit icons are present on their buttons. Let's try an example. Let's say after some time, I decided to change the belt from leather to rubber. Hence, I will change this metadata. Click the Edit button in this section. You see that the brand admin has required this property to add a file as proof. Change this metadata value to rubber and attach an invoice for this update. Once you are done, click the Update button. There will be a pop-up to sign your MetaMask transaction. Click Confirm. Once confirmed, you will see that the belt has been updated to rubber and you will see the proof of metadata over here. Now, if you want to update the other metadata, which is the cell changed, you click on it again and you'll see that this doesn't require any proof. So I'll change the sell date to around 21 and then let's update this. The control lies totally with the brand. They can specify which metadata property should be updated with proof, without proof, and which cannot be updated by the user. Going back, confirm the MetaMask transaction here to push with the update. Once this transaction is confirmed, you will have these metadata updated. Easy and convenient, right? Stay tuned for more videos.